You know how much them glee brats are making? Prancing around singing a couple show tunes? Sheen money.
And I hear they get back in, too.
Not to mention, hot water in the trailers. There is more mold than linoleum in my goddamn shower.
And you know what they're paying O'Neill on that modern money?
How much?
$4 million an episode.
Oh, my God.
I made that guy.
Absolutely.
Sutter killed off 4 characters this season, so we know they got the money.
They got the money?
Actually, 4.5. I had to take a decrease in salary or that branch wasn't gonna snap.
Oh,
Jesus Christ.
Right. I say we take a vote. Piece of the show or we don't show.
Vote! Here, here.
Right.
Yay.
Yay.
Yay!
Yay.
Hey. Hundell said you guys were in here. Just wanted to stop by and thank you for an awesome season. We're so proud of you.
Yeah, we love the show. The work is amazing. We are so happy to be part of it.
We got you a latke cart just to show our appreciation.
Latkes. Wow. You shouldn't have.
Sit down. I want to talk to you about percentages.
Oh, that's something that business affairs would discuss with your agent.
Agents? We don't need no stinking agents.
Hey, Johnny Suit, tell your little missy to take a seat.
Excuse me?
You do know this is a television show, right? You're not really bikers.
Okay, well, enjoy your latkes.
What the bejesus is a latke?
I told you that was a bad idea.
I had no idea they were that crazy.
They work for Sutter. What did you expect?
On behalf of everyone at 20th Century Fox Television, we wish you and yours
A joyous holiday season.